How to recover Apple ID without password and phone number. In this video, I will show you how to recover your Apple ID even if you don't remember your password and you no longer have access to your phone number. Don't worry because there's still a way to get back into your account. The first thing you need to do is to go to the official Apple website, which is account.apple.com. You can just enter your email or phone number right here and click on continue. Then click on forgotten your password right here and it will help you recover your Apple account. Just like earlier, you can enter the Apple ID email address that you use since you don't have access to your old password or phone number. So go ahead and click on email address right here and type in your email address on your Apple ID. After adding your email address and typing in the characters in the image shown for CAPTCHA, you can just hit on continue and have an option to reset using your email address instead. Apple will send a verification link to your recovery email if you added one when you set up your account. But if you don't have access to your recovery email either, you can click on Can't Access these options. And in here, you'll need to answer security questions such as your date of birth or verify your identity through another trusted device if you ever logged in before. During account recovery, Apple may also ask for details like your name, billing information, or the last devices linked to your Apple ID. This process can take several days, but it's on the official way to regain access if you've lost both your password and phone number. And once Apple verifies your identity, they'll send instruction to your recovery email or give you a link to reset your password. You can just follow the step, create a strong new password, and log back into your Apple account. And that's it. You've recovered your Apple ID without needing your old password or phone number. It may take some patience, but Apple accounts ensures that your information stays secure. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel, and if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments below.